Hey guys, welcome to Universal Chimney. Today we'll learn how to make Palak Paneer ke Parathe. So stay tuned. So here I have taken cottage cheese. So I've taken around half cup of it. I've grated it. Now to this I'm going to add some roughly chopped spinach, some green chilies, coriander leaves, and then we're going to add some salt, some red chilli powder. If you have carom seeds, you can also add carom seeds to this. And we're going to give this a quick mix. So this is our filling for the paratha. So we're going to smash the cottage cheese well, so that it's well blended with the spinach here. Yes, it's almost done and it's ready. We need dough for this. I have taken a whole wheat flour. Now we're going to roll this a bit. Put the stuffing in this. In similar fashion the way you would do it for your aloo paratha. And then just close the edges from all sides. Close it. Dust a bit of flour and then just keep rolling it. So here I have taken a pan, allowing it to heat. So once it's hot enough, we are going to add this. You can use ghee or any refined oil to fry the paratha. Here I'm using rice bran oil. Okay, so we are going to flip this over. I'm going to flip the other side. Now I'm going to add oil to this. So our paratha is almost done. So here's our garma garam palak paneer ke parathe, made without any hassles and also very nutritious. If you enjoyed watching this video, leave your comment and subscribe to India Food Network. Thank you so much.